Let's add a hatch pattern to this circle. To start, select the hatch icon from the Draw toolbar. This will open the Hatch and Gradient dialog box. The default hatch pattern is in this window right here. It's called ANSI 31. By selecting the down arrow, we can see a lot of different other hatch patterns that are available to us. But for this example, I think we'll just stay with the ANSI 31. Here we see a way to control the angle and the scale of the hatch. Even though the angle in this box says 0, the hatch pattern is going to go in at a 45-degree angle. So any angle that we put in here is going to be added to 45 degrees. The scale controls the distance between the lines in the hatch pattern. So first let's look at this hatch pattern with an angle of 0 and a scale of 1 and just see how that's going to look. To select the object that we're going to put the hatch pattern in, we go to the Boundaries window. We have two options. We can either select objects. In this case, we can just select on the edge of the circle, or we can select Pick Points by selecting this button, and then we just pick an internal point inside an object. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pick an internal point and just pick with my mouse inside that circle. Next, press Enter. This brings you back to the Hatch and Gradient dialog box, and you can either choose to preview and see what the hatch is going to look like, or just go ahead and select the OK button. I think this is going to look okay, so I'm just going to select OK. You can see the hatch has been added inside my circle. Now the hatch behaves like one entity, so if I go in and try to pick one line, it's going to select the entire thing. If I double click on the hatch pattern, it's going to open up the Hatch Edit dialog box, and now let's go ahead and change the scale just to see what it looks like. I'm going to highlight the 1. I'm going to change this to 2, which should make the distance between the lines twice as big as they were before. I'm going to pick on the OK button, and you can see that the hatch has been updated. So to edit a hatch, just go in, double click on it with your mouse, and make changes in the Hatch Edit dialog box.